Are you a freelancer who wants to work faster, save time, and earn more using AI tools? In today's world, AI is becoming a game changer. Freelancers who use AI are completing tasks more quickly and getting more clients. In this video, I'll show you 10 of the best AI tools and how you can use them in your freelancing journey. Let's get started. First, ChatGPT. This tool helps you write content, create client proposals, generate ideas, and even scripts. It's perfect for writers, marketers, and beginners. Second, Gemini. This is Google's AI tool, great for research, answering questions, and generating accurate content quickly. Third, Canva AI. You can design social media posts, thumbnails, presentations, and more, even if you have no design experience. Fourth, Pictory. This tool turns text into videos automatically, perfect for YouTube content and marketing videos. Fifth, Copy.ai. This tool is built for marketing. You can create ads, emails, and product descriptions in seconds. Sixth, Midjourney, an AI image generator that creates high-quality visuals from simple text prompts, great for thumbnails and creative work. Seventh, Notion AI. This tool helps you organize your work, manage tasks, and even write content inside your workspace. Eighth, Grammarly AI. This tool improves your writing by fixing grammar, tone, and clarity. It's very useful for professional communication. Ninth, Runway ML. This is a powerful AI video tool that helps you edit videos, remove backgrounds, and create visual effects easily. 10th, 11 Labs. This tool generates realistic AI voiceovers. You can create voice content for videos without using your own voice. Now here's something important. Don't try to use all these tools at once. Start with one or two that match your skill and focus on learning them. AI tools are here to help you work smarter, not replace you. If you use them correctly, you can save time, improve your work, and increase your income. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more AI tools and freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.